In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok video without a watermark on Android. So the first thing you want to do is you want to locate a TikTok that you would like to download. Then go ahead and select on this arrow button right over here. And you just want to go ahead and select on this option over here that says more. Then you want to go ahead and press on copy just like so. Then after you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. And all you need to do is you need to look this up right over here. So please go ahead and do that. Then go ahead and use this website, which is really good and reliable. And basically you just want to go ahead and paste your link over here. Then go ahead and press on download and just wait for it to install. Then it is going to give you multiple different apps and just go ahead and select on without watermark just like so. Okay, now you may need to watch some advertisements beforehand. So again, make sure to not click on anything and just wait for the advertisement to finish. Okay, it is now downloading. And after it is downloading, all you want to do is you want to press on open. And as you're able to tell, this video does not have any watermark whatsoever. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.